Hey girls, so today I wanted to share with you my favorite blushes. These are more of my springtime blushes. I'm a blush fanatic. That was kind of rude. But anyways, I have 5 high-end and 5 drugstore blushes, so 10 in total. And yeah, so let's... My dog just jumped over me. She likes to hide under there. Can you see her? Under my little table. The hi is... She's like, nope, Mom, I'm hiding. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to share with you my top 10 spring blushes. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to start off with my drugstore blushes. And this first one is Fox in a Box, and this is from Hard Candy. And you can get these at Walmart. And yeah, this is just a really kind of... It's got a bright pink and a light pink and a lavender and an orange. And if you just kind of swirl them all together, get this really kind of peachy pinky blush. You can tell it's just kind of a peachy pink blush, and it really looks nice on my skin tone. So yeah, it's very buildable as well. So I like these little Fox in a Boxes. They're very cute. So that's that. The next one is a Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush, and this is in the color Fresh Pink, and I really like these. I think that they don't give the best pigmentation, and they're not an everyday blush because they don't wear that well. But I like them on days where I'm just want to look fresh and I'm headed to the beach or headed to lunch really quick and I just want to look fresh. So this is the color that I have. So this is it. It's just a really nice cool toned pink, and it really brightens up my face like so much. So let me show you the swatch of that. As you can tell, it has a decent pigmentation. It looks a little more purpley on the camera, but it's definitely way more pink in person. So anyways, the next 3 I have are from e.l.f. and this one is in the color Peachy Keen. I love e.l.f. blushes. These are $3. You can find them at Target or on eyeslipsface.com. And this is just a really nice peachy golden color. This blush is a little bit chalky, but this is what it looks like. It's right up there at the top, and yeah, it looks really good blended on my skin tone, and it actually shows up a lot more pigmented on my skin, so yeah, than on my hand. But anyways, moving on, the next blush is Candid Coral, and this is also an e.l.f. blush. It looks like that. Just a really nice corally pinky color with a little bit of shimmer, so it's really quite nice. This blush is really smooth and easy. Now these blushes aren't showing up very well in my swatches, but I swear on skin, like on your cheek, they actually look a lot better. So this is it right there. So it's not really showing up that well on my hand, but I swear that it's a lot more pigmented and pretty on the cheeks. Blushes aren't that easy to swatch. So they aren't super pigmented, but they're pretty nice. The last one is an e.l.f. blush as well, and it is from the e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer Contour Palette. And this blush is just so pinky with golden, and it's just so pretty. I love this. So that's what that looks like on that finger right there. Definitely shows up a lot lighter on my cheeks. A lot prettier, but that's that right down there at the bottom. It's really nice, just a rosy pink with a lot of gold sheen, so it's perfect when you have a tan. So I really love that color. Okay, and then moving on to my high-end blushes. I have some Benefits, a MAC, and a NARS. So the first one is Benefits Bella Bamba, and this smells like watermelon and looks like watermelon. So pretty. It's supposed to be like a 3D blush. It's a really hot pink with a little bit of sheen in it, and it's really quite pretty. Soft. Benefits box powders are soft. So, let me show you. So pretty pigmented, really hot fuchsia pink, and it's just really nice. I'm going to swatch that for you. Oh, it's just so pretty. So that is that on the skin. It's really nice. And that's just a really, I think I'm actually wearing that today. No, I don't know what blush I'm wearing today. I don't remember. Coralista, which is the next one I'm showing you. This is Benefits Coralista. It's really quite pretty. I love all these Benefit box powders. They smell good, and they're just really super cute. So that is what Coralista looks like. A really nice pinky, corally, orange color. And it's super, super soft and really pretty and pigmented. So that is what it looks like swatched. It's quite nice. And then on my hands, it definitely looks a little bit more orangey. But it looks pink on the camera, but on my arm it looks a lot more orange. So that's that one. And then the next one is Benefit's newest box powder, and it is Hervana. And this is a really nice cool toned pink blush that smells really quite nice. And it's a swirled with like orange and pink and purple and whites, so, or like a light pink. So let me swatch this for you. You just kind of swirl it together like you do the Fox in the Boxes. And let me show you, this is the color that you get. It's really quite a cool toned, pinky, almost lavendery color. This is gorgeous on the skin. So let me swatch that for you. Looks like that. Right there. It's very, very pretty. So love that. I love, as you can tell, brights, pinks, and stuff for spring. For all time, but spring and summer is definitely a bright, fun blush time. NARS, and this is NARS's Deep Throat. This is a really go-to everyday blush for me, but I just absolutely love this. Oh, it's gorgeous. I don't know why I tried to smell it, maybe because I was used to smelling the Benefits, but this doesn't smell. But I love NARS blushes. If you've ever tried NARS blushes, you'll know how good they are. It looks like this. Let me show you. It's just a really nice pink, wearable, everyday color, and it gives a really nice look to the face. I think it's good on my skin tone. It definitely looks corally orangey on the skin with a little bit of pink. It's showing up a little more pink today. But it's beautiful, like an everyday. It's kind of, as you can tell, a little bit more matter than these Benefits sheeny ones, but I really, really like that one. So that is that. And the last blush that I have is MAC's Fleur Power, and this is a satin blush, and it just looks like that. It's a really nice pink, just a really pink blush. So it's really quite pretty, and I love this. It's really quite pigmented as well. So looks like that swatched. Yeah, and then I'll show you this right off to the side. Holy pigmentation. You do not need much of this to freaking brighten up your cheeks. And that's what it does. This blush is perfect for just brightening your look up. So those are my top 10 blushes that I love. As you can tell, the high-end ones are a lot more pigmented than the low-end ones, but on your cheeks, they all kind of blend together and are super beautiful and show up a lot more pigmented. So I love all of those blushes. Let me know down below what your favorite spring blushes are, because I'm a blush fanatic. I literally have probably like 40 blushes. I love them. No, I probably have more than that. But anyways, I love blushes and I love finding out new ones. So let me know in the comments below and let me know if you like any of these as well. I will talk to you girls later. Bye!